Do I have to start all over?
No. I'm recording.
It's very cool that whenever this tornado thing goes, whenever you shake it, you see that it creates the vortex. I got this from eBay because I wanted one so badly. I want that tornado tube that was purple because Daddy ordered it. And this bottle has the Monopoly house inside it. See that Monopoly house in there? That's how it creates the tornado. And if you shake it like more, it'll kind of make the tornado. It'll make the tornado even bigger. And you can see here, the closer it gets to the bottom, the faster it tends to spin. We have a little cloud base, so you could actually have more intense tornadoes. See, that Monopoly house is it's going wild. The top, you can see at the top here, that glitter is still up there. If it doesn't make it all the way to the bottom, just shake it a little bit or more.